Hello! Okay, today we're going to the Raven Cafe. Okay, it's not the Raven Cafe we're going to the cafe that's next door. I think it's called the Pit Stop or I don't know, something like that. Yeah, I've never been for some reason, I don't know why. So yeah, I thought we'd go. Might have a sausage sandwich, keep me going. Seems to be a lot of traffic on the road today, and I don't know why. It's not a holiday anymore, is it? Road ahead closed. That's not good. Yeah, I'm not sure of the other way. I only know this way. Road ahead closed. Oh, we'll see when we get there. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Look, no cloud in the sky. Well, a whisper here and there. It's supposed to be getting quite warm today, although it's still a bit chilly at the moment. You know, a bit of wind chill. A bit of wind chill going on. But yeah, there's summer actually happening. Yeah, this is that road you've got to be a bit careful on, because they do speed checks along here. I think this is a 60 at the moment, I think. Mind you, it doesn't really matter if we're going to get a road closure. Road closure, no access to HTVs. He's turning round, look. Sure I can get the little Guerrilla through somewhere. Even if we have to take a little side road or something. We'll see when we get there. Yeah, I still haven't seen where the road's closed. We've got some traffic lights here. Get through a few roadworks there. Still not sure about that road closure though. Maybe it was just for HGVs. I didn't get a chance to read it properly. So there's plenty of people going this way, so yeah, we'll be okay. Not really that much further up this road. Hodnet, yeah, that rings a bell. Oh yeah, the bear at Hodnet. I believe it's closed now, the pub. I went a couple of times. They used to have medieval evenings. You dress up in your medieval wear, you know. Yeah, I had a bit of a meal there, and it's just delivered on a wooden board. There's no plates or nothing. I'm not sure if there's any knives and forks, to be honest. But yeah, they do put a bit of a show on in front of the king. Used to be a good night, but yeah, I do believe it's shut last time I heard. It's a pity, really. Oh, it looks like we found the diversion. Down through road closed. Is it a matter of just following everybody else? Just follow everybody else. I hope somebody knows where they're going. Don't think anybody has any idea now. Well, they're all turning off up here. Is that wise? Road ahead closed. I don't think this is... I don't think this is... This is a bit like fault of the leader, isn't it? Nobody's really knowing where they're going. Well, that didn't work out. Proper traffic jam up there. I wasn't going to sit in that. So, yeah. That idea's gone out the window. We'll save the calf for another day. So, yeah, don't know where we're going, but we'll just have a ride out then. See if we come across anything. Well, here we are back at Turnhill roundabout. Decisions. I don't want to go left, it's got to take me back home. Straight on, Shrewsbury, Hodnet, Telford. I think we're going to go straight on. It's quite a nice road, that is. And can't recall what's down there, if there's anywhere we can stop, but we'll go that way anyway and see what we come across, if anything. Halfway house gaff. Is it open? Yes, it is. That will do me. Open. A nice cup of coffee. I think I might have a sausage bap. Right, let's get inside and get a brew. Well, that was really nice, that was. The halfway house caff. Yeah, just been talking to these couple of lads here. Tell me about these bikes, both got the same NC750X Honda automatic box. Really good. Anyway, we're going this way. yeah, they were just telling me about the cameras they got on the bike. They're showing me the pictures. They bought them off Amazon, something like 150 quid or something like that. And little ones that fit on your bike, front and the rear, and it's connected to your phone. And yeah, just constantly records then. Really impressed with the quality. I might have to look into them. Well, we didn't get to the Raven Cafe or the Pit Stop Cafe, but that was okay. That was very nice, that was. Sausage pap and the coffee and a bit of a chin wag. Yeah, I have to remember that one. It's a bit nearer as well. So yeah, it really is a nice road, this one. Nice road. Not sure how far I'll go. I might go to Newport. Turn off there. Got the reeking over there. I don't know if you can see it. The other side of this tree and have a look. There's the reeking. Just have a bit of a ride round the back roads. It has warmed up somewhat now, so it's a bit more comfortable. I shall probably head off home actually now. I was going to say you get a bit of dinner, but I've already had that. My bacon, my sausage pap. Yeah, I'll probably just head home. Go and sit in the garden for an hour or two. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, we didn't get to where we were going, but it was okay. We had a pit stop. And until next time, thanks for watching.